everybody, thanks for clicking on the video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Guy and this is Campfire Chronicles. If you've seen us before, thanks for coming back. This video starts on Saturday, April 5th. It was actually a very rainy day, so instead of keeping the kids cooped up in the house all day, we decided to take them into this little indoor park adventure place so they can burn off some steam, so we can tire them out, and hopefully they can have some quiet time or take a nap for the afternoon. Again, this place here is very popular with the kids, with the parents, to keep their kids occupied, and especially on a rainy day it tends to get extremely busy and crowded, as you can see here. Now, as you can see, we have Audrey here following her big brother Liam everywhere he goes. So although she might not be able to climb up certain things, she loves to watch him slide down the slides. As you can see here, Liam's helping his little sister through certain obstacles here, which is actually quite beautiful to see. So as Liam is confidently going through the obstacles, Audrey's having a little bit more trouble making it through, but big brother's there to help. So next you're about to see Liam go through the tunnel and Audrey just can't quite make it. And Liam's eventually going to come back and give her a hand, but not without Audrey's struggles. So here she's trying to get up, and she just can't make it over that little hump there while Liam takes off. But these places here are a savior, to be honest with you. We've had many birthday parties in places like this. Again, they're packed. They allow the kids to burn a lot of energy. There's full of obstacle courses for kids of all ages. There's big ball pits, big slides, big tunnels, party rooms, just a lot of places to run, to ride little cars, to throw balls, to build stuff with blocks. So as you can see here, Audrey's still having trouble getting up there, but Liam's on his way back to help her. And I think he just, as you can even say, I think he just pulled her. There you go. That's a great big brother.
Oh, hi, baby. Hi. Yeah, go on. Did you come down the slide?
Now, like I said, places like this are a great way to have kids burn their energy and to tire them out. Now, I'd love to say that Audrey and Liam did end up having some quiet time or take a nap when they got home, but that would be the furthest thing from the truth. Now, as you can see here, we took the opportunity to include a couple of cute photos of Audrey while she was running around the play area. And here's Liam trying to make it down this zip line, but it turns out that he's just not heavy enough to get the to get the zip line in motion. And here we've included a couple of still shots of Liam in action.
Audrey, say cheese.
Now you have to keep in mind that there's always tons and tons of kids running around here in the ball pit, especially running into each other, tripping over each other, falling over each other. Sometimes they get hurt, sometimes they just laugh it off, but you know what? They always end up having a great time. As you can see, Audrey, who decided to swim through the balls like a big fishy. And here's one last action shot of Audrey, just for good measure. Now, after lunch, we realized the kids weren't tired and weren't going to go to bed anytime soon, so we decided to go to a local department store called Canadian Tire, as we had just signed Liam up for some lacrosse. So there was a great deal on some hockey/lacrosse equipment, where it came as a package deal with the shoulder pads, elbow pads, shin pads, and all that. And we decided to go try it out to see how it would fit on them.
Could also be used for lacrosse. Okay, here it is.
As you can see here, it came in a box with all the equipment you need for lacrosse or hockey to get started. So we got that, and as you can see here, he looks cute as a button, all dressed up and ready to go. Now, Sunday we didn't do too much, but the weather was much nicer. As you can see here, spring was in full effect. Snow was all melted. We were in the backyard, making the most of the beautiful sunny day, playing soccer, running around, just having a great time.
But tonight we've got some fresh burgers, some smoked Gouda, some double smoked bacon, and another kind that we're going to cook on the own barbecue tonight with a nice side salad. That'll be delicious. Uh-oh. I would make Mama go get that, Liam. Poor little guy. Oh, you got it. Good job, buddy. Bye-bye. Where are you going? That's not a pink. That's a fire table. It's a pink what? Yeah? Oh, are you playing the piano? It looks like you're playing the piano. Uh-oh. Are you coming up?
After more or less hibernating for the entire winter, it seems, it was very nice to get out and get some fresh air and play with the kids in the backyard.
What are you yelling at?
Even if it was still a little bit chilly, it was much better than winter weather, that's for sure. And with the visible lack of snow, it made playing in the backyard very enjoyable.
Oh no, Liam. You're gonna hurt yourself if you do that and you fall on your head. So be careful. Come on, buddy, you can do it. Yeah. Why? Don't do that.
Now, by the sounds of it, it would appear that these kids are extremely violent, but in reality, to be honest with you, they're the most gentle, kind, loving kids anybody could ever ask for, and they're beautiful to boot.
It's a garden.
And as you can clearly see by the state of the backyard, major cleanup is in order here. But what you will see in future videos is that we did do a lot of modifications and upgrades to the backyard. We put a garden where the raised garden is right now. We put another raised garden bed there for additional plants and vegetation that we want to grow. And we just cleaned up all the branches and all that to make it look much nicer and more enjoyable.
How about this? How about the next nice weekend? You grab your gloves and your wheelbarrow and you help Papa clean up the yard while Audrey puts on her gloves and helps clean up the garden. Does that sound like a plan? Yeah? And then we can plant.
And as it turns out, that's exactly what we did.
in there.
I believe the video after this will show all the work we did to the back and front yard to get set up for spring and
then we
summer.
can plant some basil, some oregano, and some thyme. Go get it, buddy. Go get it. Oh, yes. Oh, no. Okay. Okay, I'm going to get that. It's right by the little princess here. Right by the missus. You ready? Bro. I came close. Bro. yellow thing over here.
Now this is where Liam decided he wanted to race his papa. And if you haven't noticed, I'm not in the best peak physical condition, so I need all the head start I can get. Now here, Liam tripped over his own feet, lost his shoe, but miraculously found my wallet. Luckily, I don't carry cash in that wallet, and there's just cards, so I don't think he has my passcodes yet, but I'm sure in a couple of years, that'll be a different story.
You want me to run? Okay, how about all three of us race? Go, 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 go! Come on, Audrey. Come on, Audrey, come on. Uh-oh, Liam's beating us. Uh-oh. Oh, Liam's so fast. Oh, Audrey, where did you go? Audrey. Oh.
Now at some point, Audrey stopped chasing us and decided to hide, and she thought hiding behind the shed here was the best place to hide and we would never find her, but
Sit down beside
as
us.
luck would have it, we got lucky and we found her.
Let's take a little rest.
Aren't they beautiful?
Woo, Liam is so fast, right?
They're just adorable.
Don't run after Liam. Run after Liam. Hurry. Come on. Come on, Audrey. Come on. Oh. Oh, jeez. Where's Audrey? Where's Audrey?
Here she is again, just hiding in her favorite spot. Love the squeaky giggles. Priceless. So we're just out here having a nice backyard outdoor activity with the kids, kicking the ball around, running up and down the hill, running around the shed, just trying to tire them out so we have a nice and easy bedtime tonight. That would be great. Just getting ready to cook dinner soon. We're gonna cook some nice burgers. We're gonna have a nice beer. Love this time of year. For the time being, just gonna give this a nice quick scrub down. Get the old cooking spray out so the burgers don't stick. Might be putting too much on, but I really don't want them to stick. Now I really enjoy cooking on a barbecue with a nice beer. So here we decided to cook some double smoked cheddar, double smoked bacon, double Swiss burger, and some Portobello Gouda burgers we got from a local grocery store. They're freshly made every day and they're absolutely delicious. Now again, I absolutely love cooking on the barbecue. Everything tastes better. Spring and summer is definitely my season for sure.
Look at the char on that. That looks so good. Let's turn this down a little bit so they don't burn.
Now some of these burgers definitely got a little bit more charred than others. Turns out I did have my heat a little too high, but you know what? Most times I keep the lid off, but with the kids out and about, I really didn't want them to burn their little fingers on it, so I kept the lid closed for the most part, which probably caused them to char a little bit more, but you know what? They were so delicious, so tasty. So apparently the burger types were double cheddar, bacon, Swiss and onion, and Portobello Gouda. The next day, Mother Nature did decide to surprise us with about a foot of snow, as you'll see here in the pictures, but we did get visited by a beautiful cardinal, so you know what? Silver linings. Good things would come for sure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.